Hello there. So how to get your Xbox Game Pass. Now I'm going to do this one for your PC, just log in your account, and you're going to get your Game Pass. But if you want to do it to your Xbox console, you can do it by just going to the market and look at Game Pass right there. However, for your PC, go to this website. Now this is going to be the link. Let me just copy it, put it into Notepad so you guys can see it properly. Now that would be the link right there. Let me just enlarge it one more time. Now you can pause a video and copy this link. It will redirect you straightly on this website. Make sure you sign in using your account, which is going to be the one on your console. Simply click on the join options right there. Now choose if you have your PC, console, or both, which is going to be the ultimate, and the most ideal Game Pass of all. Because if you choose ultimate, you're going to have access to your PC games, your console games, even your handheld Xbox devices, which is around 14 or 15 per month. That will be hundreds of high quality games, console, PC, and cloud. And that should do it.